are you?
I'm great. I'm cooking my grandma's favorite recipe, over 100 years old, Zuppa di Pesce. And here we are. We have fresh garlic, and then I also put garlic powder. When it comes to noodles, pasta is my thing. I'm an Italian home cook. I'm 73 years old. I'm the oldest person here, but guess what? I have the most energy. Garlic is the staple of all cooking. When it comes to Zuppa di Pesce, I steam the clams and the mussels with some of the clam juice, and I steam them with some white wine and water. Make sure every single shell opens.
That looks delicious.
Once all of this opens, then I'm going to add the marinara sauce that's being cooked right now. And then we're going to add the squid, the calamari. We're going to add scallops, jumbo crab meat. The kitchens feel like I'm at home, so my strategy is going to be, I'm cooking in my own kitchen. Do you want grated cheese on top of it?
Absolutely.
I'm a home cook. We have 4 grandchildren, and I feel so blessed.
Is she a good cook?
After practicing real estate for 35 years, this was my dream, to be on Food Network, to be able to share my recipes, my culture, family food and tradition with everyone. Put the linguine in, never break them.
Oh, let's go.